we all know that every parents use their hands to convey their message to their younger one. So you might think that लातों की कुछ बातों से नहीं मानते, but every time it is not good, and it affects the mental health of student or younger one. So we are our problem statement is physical punishment for children, and we have the solution on it.
So let's start from the young children. The children around under age of 5, 6. So the UNICEF study says that around 400 million children per year are physically victimized by the physical punishment, and even in schools, they are like physical punishment by caning them or shaming them in front of others. Um, and per some reports, there are some countries like Sweden, Norway, and Finland, which had prohibited completely the physical punishments. So let's see the proposed solutions. Let's consider the three scenarios. First, children of the kindergarten age, then in school, then in the home. So let's start with children of the age of kindergarten. Often the children of kindergarten make some noise, they are mischievous, but instead of punishing them, the Finland and Norway had done that. They have given the new system that we should isolate them while teaching sessions. Means just like also this group, there are some people talking. Just isolate them with each other while the session of teaching. But when there is the session is over, and then we can then together. So just like we can implement such ideas, and next we will see in home.
So now, for the second condition, where the children are facing punishment, physical punishment. So in second cases, if we consider the children are in school, so how we can control the physical punishment? So now, in the schools should implement a rewarding method from the start. When the student enters the pre-primary stage or the primary stage, the school should start rewarding the students for its small quantities. So students will get excited to do great it, so they will be less vulnerable for punishment. So they will do less mistakes. So they will not get much punishment. So school should implement the rewarding method. And now if you doubt how this method will work, so the countries like Finland and Sweden have already proved that this method is completely functionable to avoid punishments for the children. And if this teacher still want to punish the children, if the child is not listening, also by rewarding if he does some mistake, so we can also implement some mild punishments. And in third case in home, we are going to develop an app. The app will be included in the parent's mobile. The app will continuously gather the data, gather the voice data that is going around, and it will continuously read how the voices are acting. If the parent is scolding someone, if the parent is angry on the children, the app will sound an alarm. So it will tell the parents to get calmed down. Also, it will be connected to smartwatches of the children as well as the parents. Study says that when we are getting angry or beating someone, our breathing, heart rate, and other factors that can be readed by smartwatch get increased. So by studying the data of the smartwatch and also by the application, we can tell parents to get calmed down. So in home, we can avoid physical punishments to children, as well as in schools and from the kindergarten by reviewing some of the systems and changing the system of how the teachers react with the children, how they give the punishment. We should change the methods. And also by using modern technologies just like this application, we can control the physical punishments that are given to the children.
In conclusion, from this we conclude that physical punishment is not the way to handle the implement discipline in children. We can certain modern and proven ways to handle the same. We can use modern technologies and thus revolutionize the way we discipline children.
Thank you.
if you talk about Norway, if you talk about Finland, of course, the disciplinary method used for children there is very different than what we should be following in India, because India needs parents who can be a little, on a strict note, because that is what the studies have said and the research is also saying. Otherwise, Indian parenting will be at a failure if you consider that context with this context. So how we are going to actually convince parents, Indian parents, about your model?
Ma'am, the Indian studies are told that 60% of the children are facing issues because of the physical punishment they get. If we consider from parents as well as from the schools and the teachers, the children are getting distressed. And studies say that 60% of the children are facing the same issue. We can convince the parents by showing them the results that are already proven by the organizations already. And also, these methods are already proven. So slowly, not immediately we can select, but slowly we can convince the parents and show them the results that we are getting. And also our app is also helping them. So no parents will wish to beat their child, right? So they will be happy to use this.
Thing is good, and you should promote it when they can do work like this super and let it be free. How can you play? And how many days you do?
Currently we can't do, but within a year we will be able to. We have to learn something.
बोल सकता था एक मिनट
Thank you so much.